channel. What I'll be preparing today is shrimp pasta. Yeah, jerk shrimp pasta. Very quick, simple, easy thing for mats up. So I'm gonna show you how I do it the real Jamaican ways. In what we're gonna need is we're gonna need some shrimp, which we're gonna need some pasta, penny pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, but that this me I gonna use. You're gonna need cream cheese, you're gonna need Parmesan cheese, you're gonna need the jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, yeah, just to get a nice jerk flavorful pasta. You're gonna need sweet pepper to get a little flavor. You're gonna need your cayenne pepper. You're gonna need your salt. You're gonna need your onion, and you're gonna need your garlic. See? So I'm gonna cut up them something. I'm gonna prepare the pot, and I'm gonna forward back and show you how I make pasta, jerk shrimp pasta. Very quick, very simple, very easy. End up left out this. We're gonna need this. We're gonna need every cream for the pasta, and we're gonna need butter to fry up the thing. Start by adding some water to the pasta. I'm gonna wash off the pasta. Then, so go throw the salt, you know, and just mix it up, mix it. Then we're gonna add a little oil in the pot. Zine, because we don't want this stick, you know. And bear in mind also, peeps, we don't want a saggy pasta. So 10 minutes top, depending on how high you turn up your heat. It's about 10 minutes or so, even less. You can make it al dente. Yeah, so this is the result after 10 minutes. I'm going to turn this off, and I am going to rest this until I prepare my seasoning for my shrimp pasta. Quick, easy, simple. So I'm gonna just put out my shrimp in a warm bowl, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of the jerk seasoning to the shrimp. Bear in mind this is already cooked, so I'm just gonna add the jerk seasoning to the shrimp. So this is the jerk seasoning, and I'm going to stir this until all the shrimps are evenly coated with the jerk seasoning. Yeah, see there, wanna know about flavor? Eh? Nice jerk shrimp, just like that. Simple, easy, cheesy. Alright, so we're gonna purple sauce. This is my seasoning. So this is garlic, sweet pepper, and onion, all chopped up nicely. We're gonna then add every cream to the pot. Alright, everything to the pot. Add a tablespoon of cream. This looks like a cup of cheese. Add as cheesy as you want it. Depends on your liking. So just add that, and then let it melt. Add the jerk shrimp to the mixture. So yeah, looks so good. So fantastic. I'm going to mix this, turn this properly, and come back. I'm going to add cayenne pepper because I love my thing extra spicy. Just smell the aroma right now, and taste. Just to follow this one, and oh god, it's nice, bad. So I'm just here stirring up my pot. That's it. It's done. Mega plate and come. The finished look of my pasta. It tastes just as good as how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna grab on this now. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching.